Pop it. Twist it. Pull it.
No off-topic questions, because I don't want to. No, permission denied. That's an off-topic questions. Next, you have been stopped.
I want to see my little boy.
Here he comes.
I want to see my little boy.
Sounds like something she'd say. I like that laugh.
Photo. No.
Hi.
Okay.
Baby, it started when we were younger. You were my boo.
Hurry up, we're gonna be late for school. Bruh, chill. I don't know why you in a big time rush.
What are those?
They are my Crocs.
This for the A. Shawty, I don't.
A potato flew around my room before you came.
Run.
Dad, look, it's the Good Kush.
This is the dollar store. How good can it be?
Hey, how y'all? Get your dog! It don't bite. Yes, it do!
How do you know what's good for me? That's my opinion!
Look at all those chickens.
So no head?
Good evening, I'm Oprah.
Why?
This coffee is bitter like my soul. I need something black like my soul. Fuck, it's cold like my soul.
Daddy?
Do I look
4, 5, 6, 7.
Patricia!
Get it together, sweetie. We have a show this weekend.
Duke, do you want the ball?
Yeah! That's my